I've never had the opportunity to use a white GPU until now. This is the MSI Gaming X Trio RTX 4070 Ti in white. Let's unbox it. Here we go. To start off with, it comes with actually a very heavy mouse pad. Feels so good. We've got the SAG bracket Gaming Trio in white. And it comes with little paddy things for the SAG bracket. We have the new style of the PCIe cables for power. Notice there's only two. It's a 4070 Ti. Just make sure you push these in all the way. And now, and now the device we've all been waiting for. Ooh, in white. No, we're just gonna go ahead with the peel. Oh, and there's more to peel. So nice. In terms of VRAM, this has 12 gigs of GDDR6X memory, a 192-bit memory bus, and it actually has 3 display ports and 1 HDMI out. We're looking at 6 core heat pipes right here. This heatsink is large. It's a triple slaughter. Absolutely loving the rear of this 4070 Ti, and it does have a switch here for silent mode or gaming, so we're going to go ahead and flip that to gaming. So what are your thoughts on this white 4070 Ti by MSI, the Gaming X Trio? And it is definitely a triple slot bad boy. Let me know in the comments if I should do an all white build.